Hi, this is a video showing that I ordered Pop On Veneers and to replace the teeth I'm missing in the front. Anyway, I'm absolutely in love with them. I'm going to put them in real quick. I only bought the tops because I don't smile real big, so my bottom teeth usually don't show. However, I'm thinking about ordering the bottoms just because they're a lot whiter than my natural teeth. Anyway, and I do have a little gap right there in my bottom teeth, so I might order the bottoms just because. But anyway, I absolutely love the veneers. I had a partial, and it was not fitting correctly, and was rubbing the top of my mouth. So I just thought I would try the veneers. I absolutely love them. Hope I can convince you on a fixed income. I'm on a fixed income, so on a fixed income, you have to be careful what you can afford. So it was doable for me. So if you're having second thoughts, I've eaten with them. I have no problems eating. They go in and out easily. And like I said, I'm just absolutely in love with them. Thank you for choosing Pop On Veneers.